What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, as you see from the title, we finally did it. We opened up our own shop. Now, we are just getting going. This is just the beginning of it. If any of you caught my videos in the past, I have been doing a little work here and there out of a good friend of mine's tent shop. He had a lift in it. Huge shout out to him. Proline Tent in Jackson, Tennessee. Guys, if you're in the area, please go see him for all your tent needs. He's the only one that's been touching my car for, wow, man, 20 years now. And amazing work, amazing work. He's the only one that I let touch my cars, probably because he's just as OCD with cars as I am. But anyway, guys, go check him out. But huge shout out to him. I've been able to do work here and there out of his shop, and it got to the point where I was ready to make it official, make it a business, and start from there. So we have us a building, we have our business license, we have a name for the shop, and it is HPR. So what does HPR stand for? I decided to do the letters HPR instead of spelling out the whole name every time because it's a pretty long name. But anyway, it stands for Wengerd Performance and Racing. My last name, Performance and Racing. I love performance, and you guys know I love to race. But so HPR is the name of the shop, and it is pretty much a performance-based shop. What are we going to do here? Well, guys, as you know, I do a lot of Coyote work. I've been a Ford technician for over 10 years. Engine master certified, chassis master certified, one class away from having my drivetrain to have my senior master certified. Stinking COVID and everything else has been keeping me out of that class. But anyway, guys, I've been doing work ever since I was 14 years old on cars. Been doing professionally now for the last over 10 years. And as you guys know, you've been part of the channel in length of time, I am a big performance nut. I'm a gearhead through and through. So a little while back, a lot of people reached out to me, asked me would I do this, do that for them, and I told them, you know, go ahead, bring me your car, we'll get it taken care of. So we have installed everything from Pro Chargers, turbos, Whipples, VMP superchargers. We've installed a lot of stuff on the channel, guys, and you can go back and check all that out. But I decided to go ahead and make a business out of it and start from here. I am still at the dealership, but what I'm doing is kind of expanding my side business. I got my business license, like I said, gave the business a name, HPR, and so we are going forward from here, and we will see where it leads us. But this is the first step of achieving what you want, guys. If you want something in life, I encourage everybody to get up and go for it. It's not going to get given to you. You have to go out. You have to work for it. And yes, I work nights, weekends, work on my full-time job every day. I do the YouTube channel, which I've been slacking off a little bit on YouTube channel. Sorry about that, guys. I've had a lot going on here lately. I'm going to start getting you guys more videos out to you guys because all you guys that have supported me from the beginning, I am so appreciative of it. And all you guys that reached out to me when I announced that I had started the business on Facebook and Instagram, I really appreciate it, guys. It means a lot to me. But guys, a lot of you have been asking for a shop tour. Now, full disclosure, the shop is not where I want it to be. It is just now starting up. I'm still getting stuff moved into it. But a few of you have reached out and said, hey, man, I want a video anyway. So I'm going to bring you guys a video. So this is the office. This is the office right here, just getting started. Of course, I got my Speed Addict 731 banner that Car Mob sent me. Appreciate that, man. We do need to get another one for the new car, but that one's staying no matter what. And then, of course, we got some stuff here from NMRA this last year. And then, of course, when I had the black car, I went to NMRA and I actually won the 11-second winner in that thing when we were just getting started with that thing. So, yeah, guys, so this is the office. And so we'll move on into this area. Now, they started doing something in here and closing it. I'm probably going to finish and closing it and maybe put a refrigerator and stuff in there and stuff like that. But this right here is going to be the main lobby area. Now, I plan on doing something to the floor, epoxy or something like that. And then doing something along the wall, paint it. Of course, put the HPR logo somewhere over there. But guys, that's all future, and I will bring you guys videos, shop update videos and stuff like that, along with car update videos and everything else that we do here on the Speed Addict 731 channel. But we move into the shop. Like I said, guys, it's not where I want it to. I'm still moving stuff in. I don't even have my big toolbox up here yet. We've got to get that up here. But we do have a couple cars in here. We are putting in a BMR Street K member along with a Hell Horse kit in it. And then right here we have Andrew's car from Modern Muscle Performance. Guys, go check out his YouTube channel for more on this car. And also, I'll put up a couple cards right here and some links down in the description for some of my videos on the car. Now, this car, if you're new to the channel, this car has a VMP Odin supercharger, 72mm pulley with a 163R throttle body. And we've got a 4 fuel system, E85, and tuned by Wengerd Performance, same tuner I use on all my cars. And guys, this car is absolutely moving, but he is back in here for some upgrades. We are going to do a parachute, BMRK member, some rear suspension work, and other stuff, a drive shaft and other stuff to make it a little safer for him to go down the track. Guys, he's got to get it. Tell him he's got to have a cage in that thing. We've got to get a cage in it too. Anyway, guys, he's back in here for some upgrades. But yeah, guys, so this is the shop. We got a lift shop. I'll actually throw a picture up here where I had 3 cars in the shop at one time. So as you can see, I can, if I have to, I can fit 3 cars, but comfortably working on them, I can fit 2. But if I have to store some, I can fit 3. Now, this is the shop, guys, and like I said, I've got some work to do to it, but we are moving on back into here. Reason we're moving on back into here is back here. Now, full disclosure, guys, I have not cleaned up any of this back here at all yet. I haven't been using it aside from putting my car in here. But we'll move on in here, and as you can see, there's a door right there, and there is plenty of room in here to fit whatever I want in here. So I do got a lot of cleaning up to do back here. So pretty much I just been putting my car in here when I need to. It's got a drain right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean all this out, and I'll be able to wash my car in here and do other things in here also. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Not sure if I'm gonna take this shelving out, or I'm gonna clean everything up and put stuff down to where I can put parts back here. Not 100% sure what I'm gonna do. It would be a good part storage place, but I'm not sure. I have been up here during a heavy rain and I don't have any leaks, so that's a big plus. Plenty of room in this shop to do whatever I need to do out of it. So I'm really excited, guys. So we'll go ahead and go out the front door, and I'll kind of show you the outside of the shop. Like I said, I haven't been able to do a whole lot of the shop, guys, so don't, you know. But anyway, guys, I'll go out here, and we actually got a collision shop right there, paint collision right there. We've got a Napa right down there. We've got a ATV side-by-side right next door to us. So if any of you guys need any ATV side-by-side work or anything like that, we have a shop right there beside us. But this is, if you're new to the channel, this is my 15 GT with a Gen 5 Whipple on it. And I do need to bring you guys some more videos with this car. I have not been able to get to the track. The Saturday before takeover, it rained. That was when I was planning on putting it down the track the first time. The next couple weekends, I had some stuff come up. I had to help Xander one weekend, and then of course this weekend the drag strip is closed, so I can't make it up there, guys. But as you can see, got some stuff. Need to put a sign out here, HPR sign and stuff like that. But yeah, so got a lot of work to do, guys. All right, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, all my information, the link to my Facebook page for the business, emails, all contact information is down in the description. I've got some more cars already scheduled to come in this month for the shop. So guys, we are going pretty good, guys. But if you're interested in anything, guys, hit me up down in the description. And as others will tell you, I treat every car like it's my own. So if I wouldn't do it to my car, I'm not going to do it to your car. And I'm extremely picky with my own car. So if that tells you anything. This is going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you next time.